This is the new switch that I bought to replace the failed neutral switch. I just want to show that you can test how the switch operates with a volt-ohm meter. I've got it set up right now so it'll make an audible noise when there's continuity. So if I connect the two leads across the switch, you can see that with this button down I have continuity, and with the button up the switch is off. This is the style switch used for the 1983 R100RS. Here's the old switch after I've taken it out, and we're going to do the same continuity test with the volt-ohm meter to see if the switch is really bad. So I'm going to hook the two leads onto the tabs on the neutral switch, and regardless of what I do with the button, there's nothing going on the switch, so it's open all the time, which is what we expected.